Hello, my name is John Peterson, and for the past 30 years, I've been immersed and involved in the real estate investment business here in the Washington, D.C. Metro area. My business is revolved around a few things. My main driver of my revenue for the company is I buy, renovate, and sell undervalued properties. Now, of course, throughout the years, I've held properties for long-term appreciation and long-term cash flow. I own residential properties, single families and townhouses. I own commercial property. I own some vacant land. I also own some performing notes. So I've done really quite well in combining those two aspects of real estate investment, buying, renovating, and selling for revenue, and also wholesaling, buying, selling notes, and then also keeping some properties for long-term investment. I see and I've worked with many investors throughout the course of my career as a way for them to participate in some of these investments by deploying private capital. Why invest with us? Well, there's a few things. Number one, I have a lot of expertise in this business. As I said, I've been buying, renovating, selling. I've also led a large group of local investors in a networking and a community building through Washington area throughout the years. I have a very good success record with the properties that we buy, renovate, and sell. I understand the market. I understand the suburbs and parts of the city and the complexities of walking through some of these renovations. And if you invest with us, also, you will know exactly where your capital is. You will have paperwork to back that up, and you'll be able to follow the process as we go through that property. Now, whether you're looking to invest $75,000 or much more to build maybe a long-term rental portfolio, I'm looking to just start a conversation with the kind of capital that you have and what your kind of intent is and what you're trying to accomplish with your investments and how you're trying to build that. This is how we get started. It's very, very simple. We just connect with each other. We just start having a conversation. We talk through your goals. I tell you a little bit more about myself and my background and how this process works. We have a strategy, right? It depends on, everyone has different ideas on what they want to do with their money. Some people have patient money where they want to leave that money invested for 3, 5, 7 years. Some people want shorter terms, whether these deals are 6 months to a year. So we really customize that process and that strategy with you. And then we go to the next step. We identify a property and we put together a package for the investor and allow that investor to review that, visit the property if they like, and make a decision on whether or not they want their capital deployed on that. And then, of course, we manage the process. We have renovation crews, we have property managers, we have people to perform all the necessary skills to get these properties renovated and sold in the best and timely manner that we can. So you as an investor have all the say. You tell us how much you want to invest. We identify that property and you decide whether or not that is good for you. And then when the property sells or when the property is disposed of, the process starts again and you have an opportunity to either receive your money back or deploy it in another deal. So we're asking you, and we think the opportunity is great. There's just always undervalued property. That's the good news about what we do. It doesn't matter what the economy is doing, whether it's growing or it's stagnant or it's even declining. There's always opportunities to buy undervalued properties. And then, as I said, we renovate and sell them, or we keep some as a long-term investment. So if you're serious about getting involved in the local real estate investment market and you have some capital and you want to team up with someone like myself that has the expertise and the knowledge and the ability to identify and take down some of these great opportunities, feel free to reach out. Just go ahead and leave your contact information. And as I said, our first step will just be us connecting, talking through it, seeing if it's the right fit. For some of you, it will be, and some folks, it might not be, but that is after our conversation, tell you a little bit more about myself and the process. So I look forward to working with you. I look forward to continuing to grow our business and deploying some of this private capital. And we'll take the next step with you and see how we can make both this opportunity very lucrative for you and also beneficial to us as a company. So look forward to working with you.